Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at editing a door in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the door belongs to. Navigate to the site's menu option in the top bar. Click on the icon in the Doors column. Then click on the door icon next to the name of the door you wish to edit. Click Edit. You can change the name of the door and select the type of reader it has from the drop-down menu. You can also enable or disable the reader. This will switch off the power to the reader and it won't be granting access. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it. Your door is now updated. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.